It is our DLT project, line following robot. In this project, our group members are Abdullah Javed, Wasi Shajir, and me, Daniel Ahmed. Our group is 5. In this in this project, we have designed a line following robot that are worked on the base of multiplexes that we have make a logic. These are the outlines are LFR components, logic and schematic designs, testing, PCB, and final project that you are designing. First of all, the intro of our project is line following robots that they follow the track with the help of sensors such that are shown on this slide. And these are the robots are used in industry that will lift the weights and toy cars and different etc. What is in line following robot? Line following robot is a robot that work with the help of IR sensors that follow the track and move on it. In this project, we applied a logic on the mugs that are different types, that 4 to 1, 2 to 1, and 3 to 1, and control the via motor modules that turns the motors right to left and supply the battery with the help of 12 volt battery supply. There are the different components that are used in our, such that chassis, that are structures, 2 motors with a wheel of big wheels, rubber wheels, IR sensors, RTX, 12 volt battery supplies that are made with the help of cells and different types. Second, that motor module that are L293D. Others are mugs that we use 4067 and voltage regulator 7805 and breadboard, and other use are jumper wires. It is our logic flow such that IR sensor that are show that lines are currently in and out. Combination logic that we are mugs are applied on it. Secondly, that motors turns right or left. It is our prototype of IR sensor that are work how to. Descriptions about components. What is components? Chassis. Chassis are chassis that are used to design the robot construction, that are place the component on it and different modules in it. Motor module is control the motors with the help of battery supplied are 12 volt or 5 volts. There are 4 inputs and 5 outputs. Second, that IR sensor detect the path that are the RTX and others with the help of logic, digital and analog and etc. Second, that battery is used to supply the powers on it. Multiplexers that we gain the output single and input the 4 inputs with the help of 16 combinations, that are 16 pins. Second, that voltage regulator that we use 7805 that regulates the voltage 12 volt to 5 volts. Other that breadboard is a testing board that we are a prototype of our project line following robot. Jumper wires is the jumper wires that are used to connect the path that are disconnect other shortages to short the combination logic. Simple combination logic that when the motor runs, when the line on the line, and when the right sensor detect, then the left motor runs, and when the right motor runs, when line on the front and right sensor detect. Second, that robot moves straight when the whole sensors are detect the lines, means that lines on the front. This is our Proteus file that we make a logic designs of. This is our prototype when we make our projects on breadboard. And And this is our designs. Is a PCB design left on it, and right on it is top silk, and this is top bottom copper. And these are the pictures when we make on it. What's the problem we gain when we make a line following robot? First of all, we cannot print our design on PCB with the different issues, and soldering are not properly by using a plates. It is a shortage with different components. Big problem that was printing design. We use the different papers, but our issue that print was not successfully on the PCB board. Finally, we can make our project with the sketching with our pen, etc. Thanks. This is our design.